I will allow you to intro our bigating guest of the day, Sec Lamas.
Well, napakatagal na sa politika.
Yan.
Ang ating bisita.
Yes.
Bata pa ako sa politika na to. Pero ngayon, napaka-defining at napaka-historic ng kanyang
Yes,
role.
correct.
Dahil nasa gitna tayo ng isang unprecedented political crisis.
Never before
At
seen.
sa ngayon, isa siya sa mga frontliners dito sa para magkaroon ng solusyon dito sa krisis na ito.
Tip of the spear.
Unprecedented itong scandal sa corruption na
Yan.
nangyayari. Pero unprecedented din yung pag-level up
Yan.
ng ating bisita,
Yan.
ng ating bagong ombudsman.
Yan.
Especially after
Yan.
yung paborito kong ombudsman, si Ombudsman
natin.
Martirez, no? Na napakaganda ng aking mga sinasabi tungkol sa kanya.
Solitary Salad.
Oo. Kaya without further ado,
Yan.
ay gusto kong i-introduce yung ating ombudsman na nasa frontline itong defining moment sa ating kasaysayan. Secretary.
Welcome to the program.
Boying Remulla.
Yan.
Salamat sa pag-anyaya nyo sa akin dito at masaya naman akong humarap sa inyo.
Yan.
I really find this program interesting.
Yan.
Yung camaraderie is very good.
Thank you, sir. We try our best. So, sir, when you first assumed office, one of the first things you did po was, again, riffing off Sec Llamas's intro, ni-reverse nyo yung
Agad-agad.
ruling ng previous admin tungkol sa SALN.
Yes.
Was that a clamor that you felt the public was really looking for? Or was it, kumbaga, common sense for you, sir, na parang
It's common
intuitive?
sense.
Yeah.
It's common sense. Oo, kasi ano yan eh. Transparency is the call of the people to public officers.
Agree.
So, dapat dyan, open ka dyan. Dapat open book ang buhay. If you're going to hide many things, then don't enter public service.
Yon, totoo naman, sir. Totoo naman. And it was being almost weaponized, ano po. The fact that they did not have to submit their SALNs. It was almost parang they were hiding behind that
No,
legal
we had to submit our SALNs.
Yes, sir.
But before you get a SALN for your research, kailangan pumayag yung tao. Which was ridiculous.
Which was ridiculous, exactly,
Ridiculous
sir.
is the
Parang
word,
not weaponized, but it was being used as a defensive, ano, di ba?
Yes, yes. Oh.
They were hiding behind the ruling.
Obviously, walang papaya. The essence of
Yes.
the
At saka it cost one of the causes of the impunity of corruption.
Yan.
Yes.
Because there was no way to check on
Totoo,
anybody.
sir, totoo. So, before you are investigated, you need to give consent. So, parang counterintuitive,
yeah,
di ba,
exactly,
sir?
oh.
Very, very odd, ano.
On a personal note, Ombudsman, dahil matagal ka na sa politika, no? Marami ka ng political battles na hinarap, ay naisip mo ba na pupunta ka sa ganitong klaseng role sa iyong mahabang political career? Na-envision mo ba?
Ano ito eh, naisip ko to, alam mo kung one of the first crisis, one of the first big crisis na national in scope na nakaharap ko when I was with President Erap.
Yes.
And in the end, ang sabi ko, probably we really need a good ombudsman to keep people on their toes. Kasi ang tao may impunity nga, nung araw pa ganyan na eh. So, tsaka nung ano pa to, I was still in law school when the new constitution was passed. Talagang nakita ko na yung provision na to as one of the saving graces of the Constitution.
Correct.
Kasi the Constitution is not perfect. But this made it a better Constitution. The provisions on the Ombudsman.
That's very true, no, sir? And, parang a lot of people still kulang pa rin yung grasp or pag-unawa nila sa mismong functions of the office, eh. They think that it is almost if you read social media, which is the Wild Wild West, parang iniisip nila immense ang powers ng ombudsman to be actually judge, jury, and executioner almost the way some people make it appear. Lalo yung mga siguro may tinatago or takot sa ombudsman. Parang they impute so much power onto the officer. How would you like to clarify that?
Ano yan eh, ang power kasi ng ombudsman is really to keep the country in check in terms of corruption. And of course, to make sure that people are doing their jobs.
Correct.
Kasi dalawa yan eh, yung non-feasance, misfeasance are both things that have to be avoided. And of course, malfeasance. Yung pangatlo, yung malfeasance.
Ako napapansin ko rito, parang napaka-disciplined nyo lahat, no? Parang dahil mabigat eh.
Ang babae.
Pero like non-feasance.
Yan, sige.
Example, pag hindi ginagawa yung duty, kinausap ko yung NTC commissioner no, isang araw. Sabi ko, ba't kayo ganyan? Parang lahat ng drop calls, ang tao, hirap na hirap, bayad ng cellphone, bayad ng data, tapos poor service. Tapos nakita ko yung fine system nila, parang kampi pa sa telco. 5,000 per violation.
Yan.
They would rather violate than
Correct.
correct their system.
Cheaper for them.
Yan, so actually, nahirapan yung kausap ko.
Doon ako pa.
Pinawisan ng malamig.
Regulator yun eh, di ba?
Correct.
So it's non-feasance. Hindi nila ginagawa yung trabaho nila. So I'm telling them, do your job.
Yan.
Protect the people.
Correct. Doon ako patungo actually para lang ma-break natin yung ice, no? Parang ano tayo. Pero ito, dahil ang paliwanag nga sa'yo ni Sec Llamas kanina, talagang hasaka na sa politika. Marami kang kaibigan. You're in every circle from governor, congressman, kulang na lang pala senador, no? DOJ secretary na ombudsman, 'di ba? Kamusta ang iyong cellphone? Kamusta ang iyong tawag sa iyo? Ikaw ba'y nabawasan o nagdagdagan ng kaibigan dito sa iyong trabaho?
Dumami ang text, kumunti ang tawag.
Yeah! Paliwanag mo nga, sige, paano?
Kasi yung text, siyempre, nakikiramdam kung pwede kong kausapin.
Yan.
Pero yung dating tumatawag, hindi masyadong tumatawag.
Hindi na masyado.
Pero ang maraming tumatawag talaga, media. Media talaga.
Transparency.
Very basic.
Basta ako, I try to give media a chance every time I can.
Correct.
Pero hindi pwedeng lahat papatulan kasi maubos sa oras.
Maubos talaga.
In relation sa tanong ni Michael, Ombudsman, matagal ka sa Kongreso eh. Marami kang kaibigan.
12 years.
Yan.
Marami kang kaibigan ng mga kongresista. A few days back, sabi mo, ay baka mahigit 10% ng mga congressman ay makasuhan.
Dami na.
No? Anong mo dyan? Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon na itong mga kakilala mo, yung iba dyan, no? At yung institusyon na matagal ka naglingkod ay ganyan ka vulnerable, no?
Hindi, yan. Matagal ako dyan. 12 years and 1 day.
Yan, 1 day talaga.
Yung 1 day, parang sentence siya. Pero yung 1 day kasi, I only served 1 day on my 5th term. Kasi
tama.
I resigned to make way for my DOJ.
Correct.
Well, nung nandyan ako kasi, ang merong kasabihan dyan, may mga rules of the game dyan. Huwag kang aapak sa teritoryo na may teritoryo.
Yan.
Diba? Walang basagan ng trip.
Yan.
Diba? Yung mga basically,
Yes, sir.
igalang mo yung boundaries.
Oo.
Kaya, may mga tao may mga congressman alam ko naman, nagwa-violate na ng law. Yung mga nagko-contractor.
Yan.
Alam na natin, conflict of interest. Pero sasabihan ko ba sila?
Siyempre.
Di ba? Bahala sila sa buhay nila. Hindi pa naman ako ombudsman.
You're not in the position.
Pero ngayon nandito na tayo, ano magagawa ko? Kasi hiningi ko to, alam ko naman yung terrain eh. I know the terrain.
Correct.
And somebody's got to do it. Dapat may gumawa nito sa atin, di ba?
In the words of the late great Rudy Fernandez.
Yan.
Walang personalan. Trabaho lang.
Pero Ombudsman, di ba, it's very important for your position. Sinabi mo kanina kayo yung checks and balance to be apolitical, di ba? In that regard. So, paano yun binabalanse dito sa mga...
For somebody na very political.
Yan.
Hindi, ang guide mo na lang dito, bansa. Country first. Above everything.
Correct.
Ito ang pinakamahirap na parte yan. Kasi nga, you have friends who were there and who are falling from grace. At meron silang mga nagawa. At meron kang iniimbestigahan dahil ang tingin ng tao, meron silang ginawa at tingin mo, meron din silang ginawa. Kaya iniimbestigahan mo sila.
Correct.
And I cannot be made to choose between my country and my friend. But it's no contest. I'll choose my country anytime.
All the time.
Anytime.
Thank you, sir.
Di ba? Dapat naman, we should start living this way as Filipinos. Dapat some people have to show that example. Ayun ang tingin ko lang.
Prof. Guido, dahan-dahan lang ha. You might be fanboying. Ombudsman.
Parang yung leaning mo parang iba eh. Ako ang tanong ko ito, sa dinami-dami ng mga kaibigan, nakaaway o ano man, paano yung prioridad? Sa dinami-dami po, sabi nga ni Sec Llamas kanina ito yung unprecedented na oras po na kailangan ng mga fact checkers, law-abiding, at kung ano-ano man po ay kailangan ng bayan. Ang may nabanggit kayo kasi na may mga kakasuhan, mga big fish,
Big
di ba?
fish,
As
oo.
nabanggit nyo rin ng ICI, baka hindi na magtagal. So ang ibig sabihin po ba nito, talagang ipapatong na sa inyong mga balikat itong sigaw ng taong bayan na kulong na yan, mga kurakot. Sa balikat nyo po ba yan?
Kasama yan sa trabaho ko. But it's not my only job. Yung mag-prosecute ka ng tao at ipakulong mo yan, talagang that's part of the powers given to the Office of the Ombudsman. Pero sinasabi ko nga, maraming advocacies ang bansa na walang pumapansin at walang tumutulak. And it's the office that can probably do it. Example, basura. Alam mo naman natin, sa isang city dyan, kung sino naghahakot ng basura, kung saan dinadala. Kung ano ginagawa ng barangay. Meron pa bang garbage separation hanggang ngayon? Wala na, di ba? So ano nangyayari? Puro wala naman landfill Dump site lahat.
Correct.
So we have to start acting on this matter. And all the LGUs will be put to the test. We will ask people to really give us the tips on what's happening sa basura nila sa bawat community. Kasi nga, it has to start from all of us. Lahat tayo may basura. All of us, we create our own garbage. But we have to be able to treat our country properly.
Correct.
Nakakaawa tayo pag nasa ibang bansa tayo, sunod sa batas.
Kanina may
Dito,
binigay
ayaw.
ganyan.
Mahalaga yung sinabi ni Ombudsman. Waste management.
Grabe.
Kasama yan
Ang
sa
pera,
trabaho
sa
ng
basura.
Ombudsman. Yung mga waste ng ating sistema, ng ating politika, kung hindi natin tatanggalin yan, ay mabubulok yan.
Correct.
Pag nabulok yan, dama yung buong bansa.
Walang buong bansa.
At yung karamihan dyan, hindi na pwedeng i-recycle.
Linakaw.
Para may pinatatamaan
Oo,
kasi.
sa Muntinlupa na lang.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang po personalities based, structural din pang gusto
Structural
nyo.
issue-based yan.
No.
You look at the country. Kasi nga, binigay sa iyo yung trabaho to Para ka oversight ng legal system Oversight ka ng
Actually, this is an
government system.
eye-opener.
Ako rin sa akin.
For many of our viewers, because it's not just you're not just looking after the commission of violations, also the omission of doing their job.
Exactly.
Wow.
Tsaka oversight ka ng legal
Eye-opening.
system. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi, kami, isang part kami. We will prosecute. We will gather the evidence. We will present it in court. But the other side is the court. They have to do their job.
So if you're not doing your job, maaari kang kasuhan ng ombudsman na hindi mo ginagampanan
Pwede,
ang
dapat,
iyong trabaho mo.
Dapat.
What an
Kaya nga
eye-opener.
yung definition ng crime, lagi act or omission When you omit something,
Ang gandang perspective.
crime din yun
Correct.
Para kunyari ngayon, ang pinaka-controversial pa, kunyari, hindi ko rin pa alam kung pasok ito pero yung kinuwang pondo sa PhilHealth, nag-decide ang Supreme Court ngayon na 15-0, di ba, na ito ay
Solid.
illegal at unconstitutional. At sabi nga nila, hindi daw sila yung dapat sa mga personalidad na maaaring nasa likod dito. So, yung pasok po ba yon sa tingin niyo sa inyo?
pag-aaralan natin kasi yung damage, meron ba talagang damage? Kasi ang mangyari dyan, pag nilagay mo sa National Treasury yan, magko-commingle yan.
Opo.
So hindi mo na masa-specify kung saan
Siya.
ginamit, di ba? Pero, nung National Treasury is supposed to return
Yes.
that same money.
Correct.
So, para sabihin mo may nangyaring masama, kailangan ma-prove mo yung damage.
Ganda.
I mean, just listening to this, sir, your plate seems to, I thought your plate was a mountain. It turns out
now it's a table.
It's the Grand Canyon pala.
Hindi, okay lang.
Prioritize, sir.
One at a time lang yan. It's doing one thing at a time on a daily basis para matapos mo lahat ng trabaho. Kasi overwhelming yan kung titignan mo yung universe na. Overwhelming yan. Pero if you go on a day-to-day and check it, have a checklist that what you're gonna finish, magagawa naman everything can be done. It can be done.
And we were chatting, sir, before the program started, and medyo it was very heartening for all of us to hear that apparently you're getting a lot of young, dynamic volunteers.
Yeah.
Yes.
A lot of people are
Ngayon,
signing up.
500 lawyer applicants.
Wow!
Kayo mag-apply.
Kukuha kami ng 100 muna.
Sandaan mo na.
100 muna. And probably we will get the next 100 in the second half of the year. Kasi kaya na plantilla namin Our plantilla was created for 2,000 people.
Wow.
I only have 1,300.
Wow.
O hindi the office has not been used to its maximum.
Yes.
Or actually, it was not even used for a while. Di ba?
yun yun, oh. Yun yun, oh.
So wala kayong problema katulad ng ICI.
Wala.
Wala naman, oh.
May budget.
May budget.
May budget dito. Sa 7 government offices ko, dito lang ako nakakita na walang problema sa pera.
Yun, ang
So,
ganda.
yung mga 500,
Fiscal autonomy kasi,
1,000 applicants or 500?
500 applicants.
So, sa mga 500 applicants, huwag kayong mag-alala. May budget po ito.
May budget.
No, very good, well-paying jobs. Very well-paying jobs.
Ang hirap kasi ng trabaho ng ombudsman eh. Lalo na kung walang budget.
Yeah,
Ikaw na nga.
Hirap na nga ng trabaho. Wala ka pang, anong sabi ni Baby Singson? Wala ka pang bala tsaka armas.
Overworked,
Punta ka ng gera.
underappreciated.
Pero very inspiring kasi nga, may mga bar top notchers tayo, honor graduates, mga editor ng mga law journal, yung mga nag-a-apply sa atin, mga moot court specialists. These are not just ordinary lawyers who are applying. These are very good lawyers.
Cream of the cream.
Oh, cream of the cream. Oh, marami talaga.
And this says something also about the confidence they have in joining government institutions.
Yes,
At a time when, gaya nga ng nasabi ni Sec, there's a crisis of confidence. This is unprecedented. I don't want to call it chaos, but diba, we're hitting a very, very tumultuous time in our socio-political...
Ano naman to Alan you have to be able to move from here to a better spot for the country.
Of course, sir.
Diba? Siguro naman after 7 years, things would have changed if we're able to keep this culture going.
Exactly.
Na meron deterrent sa commission ng corruption.
Yes.
Kasi kailangan may deterrence
Dito sa mga huling survey sa ombudsman, ay ang tinatamaan pa rin ng presidente. Kahit siya yung naglunsad ng Mahiya Ka Naman campaign, siya yung nag-expose ng 15 huge contractors at tinayo niya yung isumbong mo sa Pangulo. Yung mga lumalabas ngayon dito sa mga latest survey ay siya pa rin yung sinisisi dito sa corruption. Kaya in a way, yung office nyo ay mahalaga yung role para ipakita na ito ay suportado ng presidente o suportado ng gobyerno. Itong anti-corruption.
Just follow through.
Itong trabahong to kasi para kang bibingka may init sa ilalim, init sa ibabaw,
Yan,
diba?
yan, oo.
Pero, ano yan maganda naman maluto ng pantay.
Yan.
At least pantay yan luto.
Oo.